So it's interesting because I do get this comment, people saying that, oh, you know, like Dan Lok came out of nowhere. I was doing an interview with Mark Joyner. Mark Joyner, people don't know Mark Joyner, but he was like the godfather of internet marketing. He was the first, he came up with the book, the term ebook. He was the guy who came up with it. He started the first tracking pixel tracking software online, right? It's the first ebook publishing company online ever. We would talk, you listen to it, Dan Lok show, after a few weeks I release it. We were just talking about old story, and then Mark and I were talking, we just laugh because a lot of these guys come and go, right? And I said, oh, you're still around? And then he was like, oh, he's around, but he's saying, Dan, but you are like at a whole different level. He's just talking about that. Why I share that with you is what I'm saying is, you cannot rely on one platform. The way I always see it, because I've seen this, I'm way more conservative, meaning I have something that works, my mind is gonna start working anytime. That's why I built the second thing. Most people don't think that far, right? Most, if they have, oh, I have a program that is selling well, I already think that's gonna be obsolete. I need something else, right? And then I have something else. I have something else that supports it. So I don't think about this, I think about this. Remember, he would teach us the buyer pyramid, the 3%? You only sell to the 3%, which is the most expensive sell that you could get. Because those are the ready to go buyers, right? Those are the most expensive. All the money is not made there. The money is in the middle part, right? So you need to nurture. I believe at this point, the best is YouTube, period. Because YouTube does all the pre-selling for you. I don't like the Facebook free for people who are not your students yet, because it gives them access too easily. When they get access too easily, there's no value, because you're already in the Facebook group. And they can engage, you cannot engage, but I much prefer if they are actually already students. I understand the theory of the Facebook where you nurture the relationship, but I would rather nurture the relationship not with the 1,000. I want to nurture a relationship with 2 billion people. That's on YouTube. I'm not interested in just nurturing 1,000. And I want to nurture the relationship in a way at their own terms, not at mine. Meaning that they can consume the content when they want, where they want, on whatever device they want, however they want it. And I want that. I don't want it to be, oh, you're in Facebook group, comment, you know what I'm talking about? It's very linear, right? And I don't want it, nowadays I don't want to do something just to sell something or it has no residual value. I need to do one thing and it can do this much stuff, right? Like I need to be answering questions, I'm filming, I'm creating content, I'm doing YouTube, I'm doing Instagram. I want one move has 10 effects. Versus I do 10 moves, only have fucking 1 effect. Right? It doesn't make sense. So that's what I would say. So what I'm saying, focus on also YouTube, as you delivering content, have everything I've shared within the last 2 days, right? What to do, not how to do it, all of that. And then anyone who join your webinar, give them the YouTube video. Build a relationship there. Build your email. And then for you is career change, career shift, like there are a lot of keywords you could target, right? So goes back to the consumption theory. For every $1,000 you want someone to spend with you, you need to at least consume 1 hour of your content. That's my theory, right? So 10K, you need 10 hours. That's now a webinar counts. If it's like 1 hour, 90 minutes, that's cool. But you need them to consume your content. And that's something you gotta talk to the influencer. I'm teaching you how you communicate with influencer, right?